So, sweet potatoes. You have to have some sort of potatoes in your holiday feast, and I love the sweet potato. This stuff is really good when it's grilled. It loves the sweet stuff, so it's gonna love me, and some simple seasonings. So I'm gonna barbecue it, so don't be shy with the knife cuts. You want it thick and like a plank. You want it to hold up to the grill. Plus, I'm gonna put something on here that's absolutely crazy. It's something my Nana would do. Just cut up the sweet potatoes. All right, sweet potatoes. It says it all in the name, sweet potatoes, and boy, does it love the sweet stuff. This is really simple. Some melted butter, and to that, some sweet sugar brown. You could use white sugar if you want, but the combination of brown sugar and sweet potatoes, come on, forget about it. Classic. And then to spice its life up a little bit, some cumin. I know it's really earthy and seems out of position, but on the grill, the sweetness of the potatoes picks up the cumin, and it is a match made in heaven. And for some spice in your life, some cayenne. Not too much, a pinch of salt, and a few cracks of pepper. Not for any more spice, but just to give it a little bit of life. Perfect, and then mix it up. When the butter melts, it starts to make a caramel. And even if you push the sugar down with a spoon, you can see the sugar melts instantly and dissolves into the butter, and you can smell cumin and cayenne, and it makes like this bubbly little caramel that is perfect for grilled sweet potatoes. Man, it smells so good. Sweet potatoes, brown sugar. As soon as it starts to bubble up and the brown sugars dissolve, you can pour it right on the potatoes. Just a little shot and coat the potatoes, kind of mix them in the bowl, toss it up a little bit. Oh, that smell is so good. The butter, the cayenne, the brown sugar, the cumin. That is gonna be a delicious potato on the barbecue. Let's do it! So, these have been grilled with a little brown sugar and butter and cayenne and cumin, and they're 80% cooked. So what I'm gonna do is warm them back up on the barbecue. My Nana used to do this for holidays all the time, and she would put marshmallows on her sweet potatoes. Now for a little holiday magic. Toasted marshmallows on sweet potatoes. Those look amazing. And here's a good tip. If you're gonna toast them, you just want them nice and juicy on the bottom, crunchy on top, and then if you touch it, it's so nice and creamy. That's my favorite part about a marshmallow. You know what? There's just something in me, I can't resist. That's gonna be a good bite. It's so delicious. You think it'd be crazy sweet, and it is. But the grilled sweet potato underneath of it like mellows out the marshmallow. It's honestly super delicious, but it's all about the holidays, so a little decadence isn't that bad. It's a burnt marshmallow, so good.